And last, but not least, Selena's room. We have a pet Daegu. He is of the chinchilla family. He is banned in California and some other state. So, of course, now we have him. There's storage. No, hi Captain Jack. There's my son-in-law. She has a queen bed. My pub table. This is a view from Selena's room. I hear a dog. Oh yeah, there's a German Shepherd. Jack Sparrow's peeling down. Selena has a king bed for guests, but there's no relatives. Check out this view. And way over there is the airport. Looks better at night. But see, they can see in my house, and I can see in theirs. Again, Selena's room. Oh yeah, we had a party last night and her friends came over and left their mess.